Hi there, welcome to today's science lesson. Today's a short one, but that doesn't mean it's not important. Today's topic is homeostasis. Homeostasis. Ready? Let's go. What is homeostasis? Well, it's kind of important for this lesson. Homeostasis means maintaining a constant state of internal balance. Okay, internal balance. So think about a teeter-totter or a seesaw. Okay, balance. Even when the outside environment changes. And this is going to be important. There's going to be all kinds of signals from receptors. There's going to be information sent to my brain, from my brain, using my nerves, using my endocrine glands, using a whole lot of things in my body to help maintain that balance. But what am I maintaining balance of? Well, that's the other piece. The top example would be body temperature. And this is just the easiest one for people to understand. Normal body temperature is about 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. This is super important for normal body functioning, okay? We have all kinds of enzymes that work in our body best at that temperature. So really, we need to maintain that balance, okay? But what if you're too hot? You have a fever. You've been exercising. The temperature is very hot outside, like you're in Las Vegas, for example. You might start sweating. Why would you do that? Well, as the sweat evaporates from your skin, it pulls away excess heat. You're going to have more blood flow to your skin, so your cheeks might have a pinkish kind of appearance. Okay, your skin might also feel a little warmer as there's more blood flow sent to your skin. So when you're too hot, you're going to start sweating to pull heat away as it evaporates. And your cheeks and other areas might also get a little warm to the touch and also have a pinkish color as more blood is sent to the skin to get rid of that excess heat. And what about if you're too cold? Well, you might start shivering. Why would you start shivering? Well, shivering uses your skeletal muscles to generate heat. Also, the opposite, you're going to have less blood flow to your skin. Okay, so you might start shivering, and you might actually get bluish tinted fingertips or the same in the tips of your toes. And the reason is your body is pulling away some of that blood flow from the surface of your skin, trying to maintain your body temperature. So what else? Body temperature can't be the only thing. Well, there's a whole lot, but I'm just going to mention a few more that you might be familiar with. First, normal blood pressure. Normal is around 120 over 80, but that fluctuates. That's going to take some intense communication between your arteries, your veins, your heart, your brain, a lot of communication to keep that normal. Water balance. The kidneys are the big monitors of this, so they're going to decrease or increase the amount of urination depending on your water balance. Oxygen levels. Your oxygen levels drop, your respiration rate, your breathing rate is going to increase or decrease depending on your oxygen levels. So those are just some examples of how the body maintains, remember, internal balance, homeostasis. What about plants? Do plants do it? Well, of course they do. The easiest example that I can give you is that plants maintain homeostasis by opening and closing stoma or stomata, which are openings or holes or pores on the surface of the leaves. And guard cells control this opening and closing. And what happens is when the plant is well hydrated, those guard cells are big and fat and swollen with water. And as the plant becomes less hydrated, those guard cells lose some water and they shrink and close the opening. And that helps the plant maintain water and helps to prevent dehydration. Okay. So there you have it, an introduction to homeostasis.